Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to access news using Python. We can access the news using the Python newspaper module. We can use this module to scrape newspaper articles. So first we need to install a newspaper. So we're going to open our terminal, and on our terminal we are going to type in pip install newspaper 3k and hit enter. And we are done installing it. Now we can use it in our code. We need to import, so we are going to use from newspaper import article. This will be our news, and we are going to pass in the address of the news story. So let's grab some news link and paste here. So I'm just gonna use this one. And now we are going to use news download, and then we are going to parse news, and we are going to print news title, and we can run our script. So this is a string object, not a function, so remove the parentheses, and now we can run our script. And here is the title. Now we are going to print the article text by calling it the text of news. So this would be and we are going to run it again. And here is the text from the news. We can also get or access the article publication date. Let's try that if it works. So just going to close that. And here we are going to do print news dot publish and date. Let's run the script. This is it. So let's try it again. And here is the publication date. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.